Hey guys, Disney Collector here, and today we're gonna open the Sweet Treat wooden play food set from the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. This set comes with 37 pieces. Let's see what comes in this box. Whoa, this is a big box. And it's for ages 3 and up. So here we have 2 cupcakes where you can separate the frosting. Chocolate and vanilla. 1 knife, 1 spatula, and oven mitt. 1 placemat. 4 paper baking cups. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 baking pans. This one's for cupcakes. And this one is for brownies. 4 chocolate brownies. 1, 2, 3, 4. 12 frosting toppings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 cupcake toppings with the Disney characters: Mickey, Goofy, Donald, and Minnie. We also got a birthday candle. Let's not forget the other cookies. These are Mickey's head. You can decorate them with the characters. Now let's bake. Let's make here 2 cupcakes. Minnie and Goofy. Let's have one of these cupcakes with the birthday candle. Don't forget to bake. Cupcake time! After you bake the brownies, you can decorate them. Yummy brownies! Playing with this wooden set, baking is so much fun. Now, how about we bake something with Play-Doh? Let's make a cupcake. Time to bake.
Together was so much fun. Time to enjoy our treats.
Now we're gonna make the frosting. This cupcake needs a topping.
I love making healthy snacks.
And it looks delicious. Here you can also make some cookies. Let's make one shaped as Mickey's head. Yummy cookie. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more baking fun right here on Disney Collector.